have with me the Xiaomi Mi 9T, also known as the Redmi K20 in China. This device recently came to Malaysia and I'm sure many of you are curious as to how well it does as a mid-range device. So today I'm here to share my thoughts on the Xiaomi Mi 9T. The phone has a 6.39-inch AMOLED display with 1080p resolution, which has given me great joy when it comes to watching Netflix and YouTube videos. It has great contrast and colors, and with its notchless design, I can fully enjoy my shows and videos without a disrupting notch. Now the phone comes in 3 colors, Flame Red, Glacier Blue and Carbon Black. I have the black one, but I have to admit that the other 2 colors would have been more unique. The Mi 9T also has a pop-up selfie camera, and what adds to its charm is the fact that it has LED strips that lights up when the camera pops up. The Mi 9T also comes with Corning Gorilla Glass 5, so at least I'm not worried that the screen will easily break. Another design feature I found applaudable is its back camera design. The main camera comes with a red ring around it and no bump at all, while the other 2 cameras have a camera bump that is not too protruding, so I can lay my phone on the table without the phone jiggling unsteadily. When it comes to security, the Mi 9T offers both face unlock and fingerprint unlock. I find the fingerprint unlock pretty accurate, though it isn't the fastest out there. On the other hand, the face unlock will take some time because I'll have to swipe up before the camera proceeds to pop up and perform face recognition. Simply put, I prefer the in-screen fingerprint unlock. The Mi 9T comes with a Snapdragon 730 chipset, 6GB of RAM and 64GB of storage, but you can also opt for the 128GB of storage variant if you need more space. Unfortunately, this device does not have expandable storage, so you'll have to be sure that the storage configuration you're getting is enough for your files and whatnot. Performance-wise, it's decent for a mid-range device. With HD graphics and high frame rates, I can still play PUBG smoothly, even though sometimes it'll lag in the beginning, but only the beginning. The rest of the gameplay is usually smooth sailing without choppy frames and the phone doesn't easily overheat. As expected, the Mi 9T ships with MIUI 10 and well, we're still not getting an app drawer. Nevertheless, I like that I can turn on the dark mode thanks to the MIUI update a few months back, and the always-on ambient display feature is convenient for me to keep track of time. Moving on to the triple camera setup, the Mi 9T has a 48MP main camera, a 13MP ultra-wide lens, and an 8MP telephoto sensor. I can't deny that the pictures taken with this phone is great when it comes to details, but the colors are a tad unnatural when I switch on the AI camera. I also managed to capture great photos with a telephoto lens, but it produces more noise. On the other hand, the ultra-wide pictures are less detailed, but the colors are more natural compared to telephoto images. The Mi 9T is lacking when it comes to low-light photography, but its night mode makes it slightly better. The camera's night mode improves the brightness of the photos by leaps and bounds, but there's a loss of details and lots of noise, so it's not advisable to use this phone for low-light photography. I also need to keep my hands really steady when taking low-light photos, or the pictures will become very blurry, especially since the camera does not have OIS. With a pop-up selfie camera, it is sometimes worrisome because of the mechanism that seems more fragile. However, the Mi 9T does have fall detection, which will automatically retract its selfie camera whenever it detects a fall. In addition to that, the selfies taken by the 20MP lens are decent and quite sharp, but you'll have to adjust the beauty filter accordingly or your face will look overly smooth and artificial. The same goes for its portrait mode. Adjustment needs to be made or the bokeh effect will look unnatural and cut off some parts of your hair. Frankly, the selfie camera is similar to the Mi 9's, so those who like the Mi 9 selfie camera will love this too. Last but not least, the battery life. The Mi 9T's 4000mAh battery is an upgrade over the Mi 9's 3300mAh battery. It's able to last me for 2 days provided I don't play games at all. If I do game however, the battery will still last me for a day or more, and I think that's pretty good for a mid-range phone. It only needed about half an hour to charge my phone up to 50% and about an hour and a half for the phone to fully charge thanks to its 18W fast charging. The Mi 9T's price starts at 1,199 ringgit, but the bigger storage model will set you back 1,399 ringgit. It's honestly a device worth its price because it offers great performance, great display, and great battery life. It can definitely outmatch other mid-range phones like the Oppo F11 Pro and the Redmi Note 7. If you're looking for a good mid-range phone with a competitive price, the Mi 9T is worthy of your consideration. So that's it for our video review today. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and remember to subscribe to our channel KLGadgetTV, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!